Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video guide I will show you how to change the language of the game while playing League of Legends. So many users want to know how to change the language of the game while playing. So let's go through it. So what you have to do is simply launch the Riot Client game and select the game from here. After that you need to go to your profile icon, click on here, click on settings, and from here you can easily change the game text language. Click on the arrow icon and here you can see lots of other languages options are available. Simply click on the language text that you want and then you can easily play the game as per your text language. So this is the step that you can follow to change the game text language. So that's all for now. Thank you.